A monetary misstep, extreme valuation and exogenous shock. They're just some of the factors that could derail this bull market, according to UBS Wealth Management. Joining us now from his office in New York is Mike Ryan, Chief Investment Officer for the Americas at UBS Wealth Management. Mike, they're not all 25% odds. Which one would you be most concerned with right now?
Look, I do think what we are focused on is the fact that the economy is on firm footing now. We've clearly seen markets respond to the positive impact from tax reform. But I think some of the things that will probably be areas of concern will be, first of all, the Fed is still in the process of resetting rates. We're going through this policy normalization process. Obviously, this is an uneven process, one where it's interpretive, and the Fed will have to continue to monitor conditions on the ground. In addition to that, what we've seen certainly over the course of the last couple of months or so, as markets have reached new highs, there's some concerns about valuation. That is, our markets now reaching levels where additional gains from here will require incrementally better news. So I think valuation is becoming, again, it's not overly alarming to us, but I think it's something that's a focus for the market. And then lastly, obviously, I think that the most recent backup in rates, I think it's raised some concerns that could we begin to see now bonds become more competitive relative to stocks as that differential between what you can earn on the bond market and what you can earn on the stock market begins to narrow a bit. Those are kind of the things I think you're seeing focused on right now. And that's, I think, why the market's chopping around a little bit. Remember, we're coming off an extraordinary period of really low volatility, and we've gone now 400 trading days without a correction of more than 5%. That's really, we haven't seen that in 60 years. So it's not surprising then that some of these anxieties are starting to creep in and starting to have an impact on the markets.